Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to connect boards in Monday.com. So let's head over to this first board, and in order to connect the second board to it, you will have to click on this plus icon which says Add Column. This will expand this menu and you have to click on More Columns. Now scroll down until you see Connect Boards button. So basically you can connect data from other boards. Just click on Add to Board. Now select the boards that you want to add right here and click on Connect Boards. You can also create a mirror column if you want, or do it later. And now you have successfully connected the board to this first board. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.